Hello, this is Feng. Welcome to Jiangmen Beyond Limit Factory Tour. I'm gonna show you our factory today. This is our printing machine, import machines from Germany. Let me show you another one. This one is our paper cutting machines. I'm gonna show you our CTP systems. We made this stuff before we print it out. It is really convenient. Let me show you, this is our laminating machines. We use it to laminate the paper, like the glossy laminations, matte laminations, and holographic laminations. I'm gonna show you our workshop. Let's see. This is sticking. We're sticking the paper box right here. I'm gonna show you another one, the die cutting machines. You see, we are die cutting the paper box right here. Before we make it shape, make it complete, we die cut the paper box. This is our sticking machinery. Let me show you when it is operating. This is our drying room. We will test the wet rate of the paper box before we send it to you. Let's come here. Let us check the wet rate of the paper box right here. If it is below 13, then we can deliver it to you. This is our office. Our design team, they design a new paper box for us every day. This is our warehouse. When we finish the products, we'll put it here and waiting for the shipping.